taking a look at my 51 Chevy 3100. This truck is slammed as low as you can get it on an S10 frame. No airbags here. This is a static drop on an S10 frame. And to answer the question, how low can you go? This is it. This truck, if you're embarrassed by scraping and dragging a little bit here and there, this one's not for you, or you'll get it and put some taller springs on it, lift it up a little bit. Truck to me is sitting just right. Has a 355 engine, 350 bored out, 350 turbo transmission rebuilt with the shift kit. Runs and drives great. Has a nice sounding exhaust, not too loud. Really nice look with those wheels. The top has got this metal flake in it. Looks really cool. Visor nicely pinstriped. Really cool looking patina truck. Good headlights, signals, brake lights, all that work. Power steering, power brakes. Interior has some nice touches. Still in the blue with these cool door panels with pinstripe dash. Nice comfortable seat. Impala wheel. Shifter on the column. Overall truck is in really decent shape. Metal wise. Just looks cool, man. Nice smooth running motor. Very reliable truck. Heater's hooked up and working. Such a fun cruiser.